What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Semler Scientific with the ticker symbol SMLR. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So continuing on with the Bitcoin Treasury Company niche that I want to introduce to the channel, we're going to be looking at Semler Scientific. They're ranked 13 on the Bitcoin Treasuries list and just behind Next Technology in front of Bitcoin Group. The last time they purchased Bitcoin was not too long ago, actually. As you can see here, on the 22nd, they bought 455. On the 24th, they bought one. So I don't know if that's just a miscalculation or if they were just trying something out. But 455 just basically this week. So they're definitely serious about, continuing to acquire Bitcoin. So let's look at the technicals. Well, I have analyzed this before previously. It looks like price was in a very shallow uptrend, making higher lows. There was a low here and then a higher low, another higher low, and this low right here is way higher than the prior one. So the angle is increasing. So we went at this maybe like 10-degree angle, then we're going to like maybe a 25, 30-degree angle. So maybe this is getting steeper and steeper as time goes on. So that's a good sign. Second good sign is that price broke this downward trend line. So the bears lost momentum. Bulls are breaking through. And we did see a nice breakout of this consolidation pattern. There was a consolidation pattern right here. If we do continue to pull back, I would expect price to come back down to the $37 level and then probably see a bounce and then potentially lead to a uptrend. However, if we have found a bottom already, this could be a good area. Why? Because this was the prior pivot. As you can see here, this was prior resistance, and then price broke up through that level, came back and tested it for support, which can lead to higher prices. And this has happened, several times throughout the chart previously. So if I draw a horizontal line across this pivot right here, you see the same thing playing out. There was this pivot right here, swing, price broke out, came back, tested that level for support, and then continued higher. Next pivot as well, you can drag the line up. Same thing, price broke out, came back to test that level of support, and then continued higher. So it did it multiple times, as you can see here, even a smaller one right about here. This is a pivot right here. Price broke through that level, came back, tested for support, and then rallied. And it did it several times later. So most likely we're going to be doing the same thing again. It's not guaranteed, but it looks like it is. This is a pivot, breakout, retest, resumption. So let's see what happens. There is a long-term target currently in play. We have one leg up right here. This is the start of this potential second leg up at $90, targeting sometime by mid-July. So let's see if we can get there that soon. If it happened before, it can happen again. So I think this is setting up for higher prices. Now, let's say it doesn't happen. That's the bullish case. Let's say we do break down lower. I wouldn't say it's the end of the world. Maybe we're just going to be doing a little correction in the form of two legs and then a resumption of the trend up. So maybe something like that. If we haven't already bottomed at the $42 level, then we could pull back to the $37, $38 level and then move up from there. Looking at the weekly charts, prior week was green, so that's a good sign. Looks like we are still seeing strong buying momentum. This does look pretty good. Trend is getting steeper. We're getting back above the EMA. We closed above it. Need to see another candle above it. So as of right now, everything still looks pretty good. Fundamentally, it looks good. The continue to buy Bitcoin, and technicals also look good as of right now. So all I have for Semler Scientific on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.